How to operate the four-wheel drive system. On Tacoma models equipped with the available four-wheel drive, you'll find a dial selector on the instrument panel for switching between two- and four-wheel drive modes. H2 on the dial stands for High Gear Two-Wheel Drive and is the best choice for most normal driving. H4 represents High Gear Four-Wheel Drive and will provide added traction when it's needed. L4, or Low Gear Four-Wheel Drive, is best for situations that require maximum traction and torque, such as climbing and descending steep hills, off-road driving, and hard pulling in sand or mud. To shift from H2 to H4, slow the vehicle to less than 62 miles per hour, then turn the dial to H4. A four-wheel drive indicator light will appear in the instrument display. If the four-wheel drive indicator blinks after shifting from H2 to H4, drive straight ahead for a short while. To shift from H4 to L4, stop the vehicle completely. Shift into neutral if you have an automatic transmission. Step on the clutch if the vehicle has a manual transmission. Push in the drive selector and turn it clockwise all the way. The 4 low indicator should appear in the instrument display near the four-wheel drive indicator. If it blinks and you hear a buzzer, try again, starting with step 1. To shift back to H4, repeat the process, turning the dial in the opposite direction. If the four-wheel drive indicator blinks after shifting from H2 to H4 or back, drive straight ahead while accelerating and decelerating. You should drive at least 10 miles each month in four-wheel drive mode to make sure the components stay well lubricated. In some situations where one rear wheel is spinning, you may need to use the rear differential lock. Before pushing the RR Diff Lock button, stop the vehicle and make sure no wheels are still turning. Shift the transmission into neutral or press in the clutch. Put the four-wheel drive control into L4. Press the RR Diff Lock button. Put the vehicle in gear and gently depress the accelerator. In addition to the rear differential lock indicator, you may see the ABS and VSC off warning lights as well. This is normal. The differential lock temporarily disables several systems. See your owner's manual for details. Once the vehicle is no longer stuck, turn the rear differential lock off immediately by pressing the RR Diff Lock button again.